Hi everyone! Today we will be showcasing the Robotiq Screwdriving Solution for universal robots, a fast, flexible way to automate screwdriving with precision and reliability. This all-in-one solution combines automatic screw feeding, precise torque control, and built-in error detection. That means every screw is delivered, driven, and verified without manual handling. Fully integrated with universal robots, the system is easy to deploy and program. With UR cap integration, you can configure screwdriving parameters like torque, angle, and depth directly from the teach pendant. No complex coding required. When you're ready, locate the bit holder at the end of the screwdriver and select the correct Allen key size for your new application. Insert it fully into the holder until it seats securely. And if your tool uses a locking sleeve, make sure it clicks or locks into place. Also, it is important to choose the correct vacuum sleeve size for your application, as this is what is crucial to picking up the screws correctly. As mentioned earlier, with UR cap integration, programming is super easy. All you have to do is set the waypoint of where your pick screw will be, set the waypoint where your screw will be, teach the screw, test the screw, and you're done. Whether you're assembling electronics, automotive components, or consumer products, the Robotiq Screwdriving Solution adapts quickly to high-mix, low-volume production. Simple to integrate, precise by design, built for collaborative automation. This was the Robotiq Screwdriving Solution.